Hello friends, welcome to Smash the Shell. I am Amit Kumar and in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to create a sticky footer that is going to always stay at the bottom of the browser's viewport even if there is very less content than the browser's viewport height. Of course, there are plenty of ways to solve this problem. You can use JavaScript, jQuery or some other methods, but in this video tutorial the particular solution that I am going to show you is Flexbox module. By using this Flexbox module, you can easily solve this problem. Let me show you how. But before that, I want to show you the structure for the document that you are looking at here. Let me go to my code editor. Here you can see that I have a simple HTML document. Structure, head, body. Inside the body element, I have header, section and footer. Section for the main content, and inside the head element you can see that I have a link element which contains the link to my main.css file, which is here. It will contain all of our styles. So I have already applied a basic CSS styling for my document and it's nothing fancy. It's a very simple styling. You can see that, and you can find the link for this source code down below the description section of this video. So let's see how to solve the problem that we are looking for. So let's write or target the HTML element, set its height to 100%, and same goes for the body element here. So set its height to 100 VH. So, or you can set it to percent too. And let's go ahead and set the display property of this body element to flex. Now it will change the complete layout of your HTML document here. This is happening because the flex direction value is initially set to row. You can see that there is no effect. I just try to write row. So I want to set its value to column. Now you can see that they are displayed as a column. Alright. Now let's go ahead and go to the main section, which is the here. This is the main section which contains all of our content. So I can just go ahead and apply it a class of content and go to my main.css file, and at the end of this document I can write here content and set its flex value to 1. Now you can see that my footer is pushed to the bottom of this browser's viewport as I was looking for. Let's resize the browser viewport and see how it's looking right now. As you can see that we are getting the result as we were expecting for. But let's see what happened when I just switch to Microsoft Internet Explorer here. Let's refresh this page and resize it now. Let me minimize other browsers so that you can see. Okay, so when I resize to this size, you can see that my contents are overlapping on the footer. Or even if I just don't resize it and I just go to my code editor and here try to write some lorem ipsum text and hit save, that's a lot of text. Let's go to Internet Explorer and hit refresh. Now you're gonna see something ugly. Now it's not working anymore. Let's go to this Chrome browser and see the result. It's working fine here. Let's go ahead and switch to Internet Explorer and see the results again. It's not working here as I was expecting it to. Well, that's a really easy fix. Go to your code editor, go to main.css file. Here we want to set its shrink value to 0 and basis value to auto. Let's hit save this time and refresh the browser. Now we can see the results that we are looking for. it will work fine in Internet Explorer 10 too. So let's see how. Select the document mode to 10 and also browser profile to 10. Now scroll down. That's really cool. It is working as we were expecting it to. Now minimize it, close the developer tools, go to your code editor, and here you can simply split these values like this. Flex grow to 1, flex basis to auto, and flex shrink to 0, something like this, and you can completely remove this and it will still work fine. So this is the much shorter method. That's why I will continue using the method above, property above. So guys, if you like this video tutorial, please hit like to this video and share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.